How are you? Look, really familiar. What's the occasion?
Evolution becomes both.
Let's all vote.
Scope it out.
Don't cut in line.
Let's go to theme park after voting.
Okay.
Netflix and chill with my vitamins.
Who win? So nervous shaking.
Voting is a piece of cake. Good job.
Where? Ballot box.
Take off running.
It's a meaningful voting.
You said it.
Voting, the flower of democracy.
Tito.
Shot goal. A pile of voting papers into a ballot box. Crime.
Voting crime receives a punishment.
We start our presidential election debates.
So sorry. Talking wild.
So sorry too, still a little dizzy.
Competing trial is brain dead.
Let's shimmy dance.